This How to 1 Minute will show you how to make someone automatically get a role on Discord. First of all, open your server and click on the server name, server settings, click on roles, create role, and I'm gonna giving the role name here and selecting a color, save changes, and make sure to put this bot to the top of the list. And it's time to add a bot. So open a new tab and type here yakpdb.xyz and click on control panel. Click on login using Discord, authorize, click on select server and select the server for you to add this bot. Continue, authorize, ensure that you are not a robot, and then click on select server and click the server, which one you just added, and click on tools and utilities and hit on auto role and click on this option and select the role you just created on your Discord server. Click on save. And now anytime someone's joined to your server, they will be automatically assigned to this role. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.